guys, today is Jeff's 60th birthday and I'm surprising him with dinner at a local vineyard and bistro. Hi guys, we're at West Hills Vineyards in Salem, Oregon, and it's a big wine area up here in Oregon in the Pacific Northwest, and so we're lucky to be able to try all different types of wines. So we are enjoying an evening here out for Jeff's 60th birthday. It's pretty cool. So when you walk inside here, they have a little gift shop area, and there's some indoor tables and chairs for seating. So this is the wine tasting area and the bar that you can walk up to and do tastings. They do have like local treats and truffles. They do serve beer too. It looks like they have fresh flowers for sale. And so you can come and get flowers and all sorts of little treats in the gift area.
They're locally sourced from Alley House.
Oh, well, look at this. Locally sourced, we're being told. Look at that. That's nice. Awesome. So they do have lots of indoor seating if the weather's not great. And there's comfy sofas and chairs over in the sitting area, or you can go out on the patio. Very cool. The vineyard has this beautiful outdoor seating area and patio, and at night they light the fireplace.
Well, Stephanie, so we have, I'm not reading anything, am I? We got the estate Pinot Noir.
It's a wine menu.
Yeah. Now, being a wine connoisseur, not, I am getting a fruit forward with notes of pie cherry, crushed raspberries, and hibiscus with a hint of oak.
Wow.
And it goes over the tongue nice, and it finishes well.
Wow, that's impressive.
That's my wine stuff.
Wow.
Yeah.
He did pretty good. So West Hills Vineyard here, they have quite an extensive wine menu. And it is two sides, and they do everything from a Chardonnay to a Pinot to, it looks like, oh, they do have a Zinfandel. And they do offer flights, so you can come taste them and try them out. They sell them by the glass or the bottle. And again, you can get flights with 4 samplings, so that's pretty awesome.
Now, Stephanie, do you know what I ordered tonight?
What did you get? They do have a delicious menu.
Shrimp.
Yes.
Creole shrimp.
I know, your favorite thing. What more could you ask for on this big
good.
Day, your 60th birthday?
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, I got a Greek style. It's a feta and spinach flatbread done in garlic and olive oil. Delish. Cheers to Jeff's 60th. That's delicious.
And I try, I got to try. I try with a top. Unless it's still too shy. And I pray. And oh my God, do I pray. I'll pray every single day. I'll pray by the shine. So I got to dance with a life and just to get it all out. What's in my head now? I've been feeling. So I wait till the morning lost there.
What do you have there? Wow. Amazing shrimp dinner.
Oh, yeah.
And here's my flatbread. Oh,
That's awesome.
it looks amazing. Good. So how's your birthday night so far?
Well, Stephanie, I'm feeling all right.
I know, you've had some wine.
Yeah. And we started off with a glass.
Yeah, we were getting glasses, and then we got smart. We're like, let's just buy this.
Let's buy it by the bottle.
Yeah. So we are really enjoying ourselves. You have the best wife ever.
Absolutely.
I'm taking him out for dinner and wine and some live entertainment.
Doesn't get much better than that.
No, this is
Crisp
awesome.
old age of 60.
This is a great birthday.
It really is. Thanks, honey.
Yeah, and the
You're the
weather.
best.
Thanks, honey. And look at the weather. Oh,
Yeah, it's a perfect day.
absolutely beautiful. It's in the 70s. Sun's just starting to go down a little bit. And we have this amazing music and setting. Yay.
This is the best, honey. You're the best.
Aw, I love you. Thank you.
Jeff and Steph's excellent adventure. We're something else, aren't we?
Too much wine. Cut off. Cut off.
One day, gasoline started. I let him slip away. He's looking for that old, that'll be fine, say. 'Cause I trade all my tomorrows for a single yesterday. Every hood in Bobby's body and legs of mine. Freedom's just another word for never let to lose nothing. When I told that Bobby left me, I'm feeling good. Boy, she hold on when he sing the blues. You know, feeling good was good enough for me. Good enough for me, my Bobby McGee. La da da, la da da, la da da, da da da. La da 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 da, Bobby McGee. La da 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 da, la da da da, la da 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 da, Bobby McGee. La da da, la da 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 da, la da 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 da. Hey, oh Bobby, oh the Bobby McGee. La 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 la. Hey, 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 no Bobby McGee. Called him my man, I said I'd give him a love, but just a face I can't come on. I'm Bobby now, I'm Bobby McGee, yeah. La 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 la. Hey, 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 no Bobby McGee. I don't like walking around this old and empty house.
So hold my hand, I'll walk with you, my dear.
This creek as asleep, it's keeping me awake.
It's the house telling you close your eyes.
Where some days I can't even trust myself.
It's killing me to see this way.
Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba. Hey! Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba. Hey! Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da-ba.
Beautiful world. I wish I was special. You're so very special. But I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't care if it hurts. No. When I'm not around.
At the Vineyards is a beautiful old historic house built in 1858. It was home to Oregon's 18th governor, Isaac Patterson, and he was the youngest state legislator ever elected and sworn in at age 32. The property includes the beautiful vineyards and tasting room, gift shop, and this historic old house. They are currently restoring the house. I'm not sure if it's open to the public yet. They do have gazebos on the property for weddings and special events, as well as an expansive lawn. The beautiful property sits on over 200 acres. It's located in West Salem on the Salem-Dallas Highway, and it's really easy and convenient to get to with lots of parking. They are open from noon to 7 p.m. Wednesday through Sunday, and they have live music most weeks. If you're looking for an event venue for your next wedding or corporate event, look no further. This place has it all, from the fabulous wines to the delicious foods and the staff, which is so friendly and fun. It's just a great experience and a special place.
Listen for fate's whisper, it'll try and warn you. Telling your heart to be cautious, ever trying to harm you.
Are you enjoying your wine, Jeff?
Probably too much.
I know, it's
Oh.
so
Can we
nice.
get one more bottle? You think?
Oh, brother, we're good tonight. Cheers.
Well, Stephanie,
On a scale of 1 to 10, how was your birthday? Jeff's
Maybe.
still giggling.
maybe a little too much wine.
Yeah, maybe, but it was delicious.
It was fantastic.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a great birthday.
So on a
Thanks,
1 to
honey.
10, how was it?
I was 10.
Oh, good.
Oh, 10,
Yeah, the food
It was
was
awesome.
amazing here at West
Yeah.
Hills Vineyards.
Yeah.
The dessert.
Great entertainment.
Yeah, dessert great. They serve all sorts of like meals and like appetizers. They have happy hours. They do wine, beer, and everything in between. So you can find something for everybody. And the patio over here is lovely. You can see when the weather's nice. You can sit outside. They have covered tables and all that.
Now, here's an
And-
interesting
yeah.
note.
Aw.
Here's an interesting note, okay?
Yeah.
Our server
Yeah.
birthday was also today.
Yes.
So,
Jeff and he had the same birthday.
right. Now, he's a little younger than me. He was born in 1990.
Yes.
I was already on my road to
Young man.
some good, some bad in 1990.
Yeah.
So I said to him, I was born in 63 and Kennedy was still president. And he said, I was stuck with Bush.
Yeah. And he said, "Oh wow!" And his eyes got big. It was
Yeah.
pretty. He was pretty impressed
He's
by
like, this
Jake.
dude's really old.
He was pretty impressed by that day. So yeah. Anyway.
So, best birthday ever,
Yeah.
go to a winery, grab yourself a bottle, get their best food, make sure you have dessert. And when you get the bill, don't even look at it.
Yeah, and if you're near Salem, Oregon, check out West Hills Vineyard.
It's awesome.
Yeah, it's a really nice night out. We haven't had a date night in a long time, so this was kind of fun for us to come
Oh.
listen to music and have
Yeah.
good food and wine, and just really fun.
Jeff and Steph's
Excellent.
birthday adventure.
Yeah, woohoo!
Thanks, honey. I love you.
Oh, I love you too.
Okay.
Bye.
See you guys.